Hi, my name is Neil Abel, and I'm here to show you how to set up quick boat fender. It only takes about a minute to set up. It's the easiest to use boat fender on the market today. Simply take the rope, fender line for quick boat fender, slide it through the mouth till it comes out the bottom, tie a knot in it, pull it back through, tie the other end to the fender using the washer that comes with it, or you can tie a simple knot to hold the fender in place. Now quick boat fender slides in your rod holder. It holds the fender in the exact same spot each time. To adjust the rope, the fender line for the proper length, you can adjust it here and cut the line. You can also adjust it here. It has plenty of room for excess rope to hang down, so you can adjust it to any length to match your boat's water line. Quick boat fender is one of the easiest ways to set your fenders. Once they've been adjusted for your boat, all you do is slide them in the rod holder, they're locked in, you're ready to dock.